So we're at the back of the house now, and Chef Anslem, he's invited me to cook today. There's a lovely space back here, man. I really appreciate you having me out here. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen me do this already. These are the ingredients here we'll be using for the stew cooking. We've got some pumpkin, some carrots, some tomato, scallion here. We call it chive in Trinidad, some celery, some onion, a little bit of ketchup, salt and brown sugar, garlic, ginger, the green seasoning, and pimento pepper. The other things that you see will come in after.
Sorry?
So we already have the salt, the black pepper, the celery, going in with some tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Yeah.
Also the tenderization.
Yeah.
Acid. A little bit down to make sure the meat. Yeah, make sure the meat soft.
Nice.
Salt. Pimentos. Right? Garlic.
Some minced garlic in there.
Right? A little touch of ginger, not too much. And this is our house green seasoning. Right? That's to bring everything together, right? And last but not least, we gotta add some ketchup. This is an old-fashioned thing, you know, add a little bit of sweet, right? And also add with the breakdown of the meat to make it tender, right? Also some Worcestershire sauce. Right, we're gonna bring this, now we're gonna mix this together. So while this is marinating, right, we're gonna start with the Bhaji rice.
Okay.
You understand? We're gonna start the Bhaji rice, so by the time this finish marinate, we can stew.
Okay. Right. So the chicken is already all seasoned up there. Are we gonna allow it to marinate for a minute? Making now is a cook-up or Bhaji rice. So we've got that high heat that you're seeing there, and then some vegetable oil. The chef is going in now with some garlic. So we had pimento peppers, we had garlic, we had celery, or shadow berry, got some celery in there. And that's all the herbal sort of ingredients that we'll add on the That there is some carrots.
Bites out to the pot.
Right, stick of cinnamon.
Sanis.
Start.
And you put some now with it here.
Okay. What Chef just said is we started off with a little bit of a pumpkin in there, and near the end he's going to add some more as well. Because this is going to break down and it's going to cook off. Right? Yeah.
Add Bhaji.
That is Dashin Bush Bhaji now. And this is from the taro plant, which we call Dashin. And this was all prepared in advance for us. Big leaves, you guys would have seen me use this before. But it's big leaves that is chopped up into ribbons, stems and everything is going in there. It's all been prepared.
So making sure we add all washed rice.
And it's very important that you wash your rice before you put it in to get rid of that grit. And so it's not overly starchy as well, because later on it huge part in the finished dish. And what you're looking at there is the prepared salted pigtail, cut up and already prepared, boiled in advance to remove some of the salt and to get it nice and tender. Yeah.
Okay.
Chef is went in there with some golden brown sugar and some vegetable oil. We've got like a medium heat on the flame now. Oh, crank it up. We're going high now. We're going high or we're going home?
Yeah, we need to get that caramelized and start.
Yeah. Chef,
Yeah, surely.
I see something in your hand there. What do you got there?
All famous.
All you
Salt butter. Golden ring.
Are we finishing with that, right?
Yeah.
No,
And it's almost done.
so we're just gonna let that residual heat or something just melt that out there, or
Yeah.
we still got a little fire there, right?
Yeah, because it's really low.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Oh yeah, tiny fire. Oh, look at that color. It doesn't give us a peek of the color anymore. Yeah. Finishing up with some pumpkin, some diced pumpkin. Finish up with that nice greenness there. It's been going out for about just over 15 to 20 minutes. Chef added a little bit of water to the pot as well. Some people may add coconut milk. I'm not a coconut milk type of guy, but you gotta love that gravy. Ooh. Chef, I noticed throughout the cooking process, you kept tasting and tasting and tasting. What's your reason for that?
So that tastes the salt.
Salt.
And then show the cooking process to make sure we get the correct flavors.
You're looking for that flavor.
Yeah, looking for
so
flavor.
if you don't find it, you adjust it as
so
you
keep
go,
on
right?
adjusting until we get the right flavor.
Yeah. Oh boy. Just look at that.
Bun.
Yes. Everyone here is busy, man. Cleaning pots, he's making seasoning. over here there's chopping stuff and it's just real production going on here. But back to Chef. Good stuff, man. Oh wow, that's some good stuff there.
See? That's it, yeah.
So you get a bit of green and everything else. Oh. I got a little bit of pimento there. That's nice.
It's fresh.
Yeah. Let's go to the front over here. This is in Princestown. So in Princestown, which is a town, the southern part of the island, there's a bakery here. So we got all the buns and all that there. To the front of the store, so all these ice creams here. This one here is really nice. And we have all the baked goods and treats out front here. Move up here and it's all about the cakes and pies. So potato pie, spinach pie, got beef pies, chicken pies and all that there. There's some coconut tart here, apple tart, strawberry, custard, crunch roll. This is a coconut roll. It's something very similar to what they have in Guyana. And this area is the hot food section. So we got stewed chicken, fried chicken, barbecue chicken, some other types of chicken there. Down there we got some pilau. Oh, look at that veggie pilau here. And you gotta love it, man. When you buy stewed chicken, keep this for a second. Oh, for some reason it doesn't want to zoom in, but there's a chicken foot there, man. That's colored on the far side there. Potato gratin. Sorry. Fried rice, we got okra rice, we got potatoes, we got macaroni pie over there. It's all kind of nice and savory. And then back here, there's a pizza oven. So you can get your freshly made pizza here. Right up in there, yeah.